They say at the heart of every happy ending, there's a story just fighting to begin.
It looks like maybe the old door is in there.
The side of it is just smashed in. It's been T-boned really hard. Yep. Not near as bad as the Rambler, but no, there it went.
Oh, yep, it did.
Once we start turning this over,
right.
Let's see what it does real quick. Let's try to. Oh, it is moving. Straighten up, ain't it?
Yes,
It's getting better.
Alrighty, we're gonna see what it looks like. Not bad.
Well, a lot of carbon in there, though.
Yeah.
That looks a little funky there.
Yeah.
Come on over there. So we got a new set of spark plugs in this thing. Went ahead and had to replace the points in the condenser, distributor cap, new rotor button, and new wires. Run our wire back over here. Taking it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. At least we got something, didn't we? We're just going to hook up this electric fuel pump up to it. We're going to pump some gas into it, and hopefully we can just get this thing to crank up and idle. It sounds pretty good for a little inline six-cylinder. Yep.
Off we go.
Yeah, looks like it's working. Ah, died on me.
It died on them.
Let's see here.
Oh, we got it.
Hopefully we can make it on back in without any problems, but you never know at this point.
I reckon the old girl still had a little hope left in her after all.